Welcome to this video on probabilities in trading. Understanding probability is fundamental to successful long-term trading. Trading is a game of probabilities. Every trade has odds, but never certainty. No setup wins every time, and no setup loses every time. Trading skill is about effectively working with these odds over time. Probability is defined as the chance of an outcome over many tries. Just as a coin flip lands heads about half the time over many flips, the same logic applies to trades. One result tells you almost nothing about the true odds. The win rate is the percentage of trades that end in profit. However, win rate alone doesn't tell the whole story. The size of your wins and losses matters just as much as the frequency of winning trades. Win rate is balanced by the reward and risk per trade. A lower win rate, like 30%, can be profitable if the wins are large. Conversely, a high win rate, like 70%, can lose money if the losses are large. Both numbers must be considered together. It is important to remember that the outcome of a trade is not the same as the quality of the decision. A good decision can still result in a loss, and a bad decision can still result in a win. Judging trades by outcome alone is a common mistake. A single trade tells you almost nothing about your strategy's effectiveness. Random luck can influence one trade in either direction. The true pattern of your strategy only shows over many trades, so avoid making beginner judgments too early. Skilled traders think in samples, not single trades. A sample of 30, 50, or 100 trades reveals the real pattern. Smaller samples create louder noise, and decisions get better as your sample size of trades grows. Probability thinking fundamentally changes how wins and losses feel. Losses on good trades stop feeling like failure, and wins on bad trades stop feeling like skill. Confidence in trading comes from process, not from each result. A common beginner mistake is changing their approach after just a few trades. A few losses can mistakenly feel like proof a strategy is broken, and a few wins can mistakenly feel like proof a strategy is brilliant. Both reactions come from ignoring probability. Probability is truly about the long game, as its truth shows only over time. Each trade is just one data point in a much larger picture. Patience with your trading process is what reveals your true edge. This is one of the hardest mindset shifts in trading. To summarize, trading is a game of probabilities. Outcomes only show their truth over many trades. Every trade has odds. No trade is certain. A losing trade is not always a bad trade. Real edge shows over many trades, not a few.